The first question would actually be, what made you want to do the pebble flooring?
We had an issue where myself and my daughter almost fell in the toilet. It was very slippery. So we went around looking, we went to Carousel, we went to a few sites to check. So we found Porousway. So I called them up. I spoke to Mr. Andrew. So we wanted to know more about this epoxy pebble. So we went down to actually have a feel of the flooring as well. It was good, and he explained to us the difference between flake and pebbles. That's how we decided that we wanted this epoxy pebble. Everything was smooth. So we told Mr. Andrew we wanted this. So the transaction was smooth. It came and they did.
So for the anti-slip that you tried in the showroom and the anti-slip that you have now at home, is it similar?
Yes.
You feel similar lah. Okay, so I think leading on to the second question, so how would you actually describe the anti-slip, or how would you actually say the anti-slip is?
It's great actually.
Great
It really helped. I actually when it came after I finished washing, I took soap, bath soap and water, so I put it on the floor. I tried to move my leg around. It still had got the grip. Yeah.
Okay,
This is important because I got a pregnant wife and a small kid.
Great. Okay, so for the last question would be in terms of the cleaning. So who is the one doing the cleaning in the house?
We take turns. But for now, because she's pregnant, so I'm doing it.
Okay, great. So you'll be the best person to actually share. So in terms of the cleaning, do you find the cleaning difficult or?
Easy actually. I think one of the workers explained to us we can use any cleaning solution. So I'm currently using Mr. Muscle and just water, and I will just rub. Yeah. So also like hair and dirt are visible also. Even though the multi-colors, right, I still can see that dirt, where the dirt is. It's not totally like you are hidden or you cannot see, which is good .